Hi, I'm Asphyxia. You might know me from my book, Future Girl, or The Words in My Hands. I've been working on an app, Amplio. This is the sign for Amplio. It's a music platform for deaf and hard of hearing people. It's for all levels of deafness, from mild to total. Think of it like Spotify or Apple Music, but made for us. Amplio includes many features that make it accessible for deaf and hard of hearing people. There is like a four-piece band where you have a drummer, a bassist, a singer, and a person who plays other instruments. And sometimes that person might play a guitar, sometimes a piano, or sometimes a brass instrument like a saxophone.
She's on fire, sparks fly behind her.
You can see the lyrics and know exactly when they occur. You can see the duration of each word, so we can sign or sing along with confidence, knowing exactly when each lyric will begin and how long it is held for. For some songs on Amplio, you can also watch a sign language video. The videos can help you connect with the mood and feeling of the song, even if you don't know the language in the video. If the song has a video, you will see a video icon.
She's on fire, sparks fly behind her.
With Amplio, you can unpack a song to understand exactly how it's constructed. Start by listening to each track by itself.
And sleeps in the wild, and she don't care that she is exiled.
You can use the progress slider to return to the start of the song. Now try the drums and bass together to see how they sound. The drums are there to give you timing and create energy, the feeling that makes you want to dance. The bass is there to make the song feel more full, and together they can make a great rhythm. The next track is to show additional instruments. Try listening to the drums and bass with additional instruments and see how the song develops. Because some people hear low pitches and others hear high, with Amplio you can adjust the range of pitches. Let's start with the vocals and try listening to a few options.
Way out here they have a name for rain and wind and fire.
The rain is Tess, the fire's Joe, and they call the wind Mariah.
Mariah blows the stars around, sets the clouds a-flying.
For some songs, you can't change the vocals. Sometimes this is because we haven't had a singer record it higher or lower yet. And sometimes this is because going higher would be too high for the singer, or going lower would be too low. Which vocals do you like best? Pick your favourite. Now let's add in the bass and try changing the range to see which sounds best. Even if you hear low sounds better, it may be that you like a higher bass because hearing aids and cochlear implants are not always great with low sounds. They're optimised for speech rather than music. Try the vocals and bass together. Maybe you will prefer a different range for the bass because of how it sounds when paired with the vocals. So pick the range for the bass that sounds best with your chosen vocals. Set the bass volume as well. Ideally you can hear it, but it doesn't drown out the vocals.
I knew Mariah's name and heard her wail and whining.
Now let's add in the drums. You can't change the pitch of the drums, but you can set the volume.
Mariah blows the stars around, sets the clouds a-flying. Mariah makes the mountains.
Next, try adding the additional instruments. For some people, this is too much. You might be better without it, or have the volume very low so it doesn't interfere with the song. You can also try getting used to the song without this, and then adding it in later when you've learnt to hear the song better. Now you have a song with sounds that are perfectly tailored to what you can hear. Let's compare it to the original song, which was made for hearing people. Which do you like best?
Way out here they have a name for rain and wind and fire.
The rain is Tess, the fire's Joe, and they call the wind Mariah.
With Amplio, you can learn more about the song and discover its mood, meaning and history. This is written with a language suitable for deaf and hard of hearing people that doesn't assume you know anything about music already. Have a look around our website too for some more useful information. You can find teaching resources, learn more about music and how deaf and hard of hearing people experience it, and learn how to make your live music event accessible. Thanks. I hope you enjoy Amplio. Don't forget to give us feedback, as we'd love to make it better for you.